Hello everyone. In today's phonics class, we are going to learn the sound of the letter Z. The sound of the letter Z is Z. Z. Let's try a few words which start with the Z sound. Z is for zip. Z. Z. Zip. Z is for zap. Z. Z. Zap. Z is for zero. Z. Z. Zero. Z is for zoom. Z. Z. Zoom. Z is for zoo. Z. Z. Zoo. Z is for zigzag. Z. Z. Zigzag. Z is for zinnia. Z. Z. Zinnia. Z is for zucchini. Z. Z. Zucchini. And not to forget me, Z is for zebra. Z. Z. Zebra. I hope you enjoyed learning the sound of the letter Z with me. See you again very soon in another video. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.